How to recover Telegram account without email or phone number. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to recover Telegram account without email or phone number. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. To do that, we first need a VPN. So let's use Winscribe for this. And then from in here, we can just get started and create an account in here. So you can just create your account. So for me, I will just create my own account. You can create your own. And then just click on continue right here if you want. And then continue without email. So as you can see, it is getting some server credentials and server list. So what we need to do is just connect to US things. So just click on this power button, click on allow, and it will open a VPN to our device. So after it has been connected to VPN, what we need to do next is to enter ringtone right here. So this actually provides you a second phone number or a virtual SIM. So you can just click on get started right here, and then you can just create your account. So let's just wait for this right here. Click on OK, and as you can see, you can choose a phone number. So just choose this one, and then you can give up the free chance, but since we will only using this for this one time, so you can just use that number. So here's your contacts, this is your phone book, messages, calls, and all of that. You can connect, and you can also get your first phone number using these things right here. So just click on this plus icon, click on random phone number, click on OK, and then you can just copy this number to get access to that, and then enter Telegram, and then from in there you can just add in the number that you have added, and then from in there you can just log into your account using that number. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to recover Telegram account without email or phone number. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!